70 miles out. Mesquite, Nevada. Almost made it. I am driving with sketchy hand controls in the D-Max. There's BDD. Yeah, we're racing the Mint 400. I got Dale here driving with me. He was the co-dog for the second half of the Montana 12-hour race. He's gonna be in the car the whole time. Then we got Nick in the car for the other part of it as the other driver. Got the Montana crew back together, and this one's gonna be a party. It's been a slog for sure getting this car together. Biggest race of my life by far. Never ever in a million years thought I'd be able to race something like this, so I could not be more excited. The plan is on our way down right now. Tomorrow and Tuesday we're gonna go test, and then Wednesday is the vehicle parade down the strip, and then Thursday is contingency day, which is probably the coolest day in all of off-road racing, with the vehicles being pushed down through the Fremont area and all the vendor row and all that stuff. But anyway, then race day Friday, and then we watch trophy trucks on Saturday. So running UTV stock mod, I think, is our class. So I don't know, their class system is weird, but hopefully we're competitive. Done a lot to the car, and yeah, let's get down there. Woo! Perfect power. Masson, what are we doing?
You guys are going testing with Robert.
Where aren't you going?
Because he's upset he's spaghetti head massive.
Time to go racing, dude!
Let's go racing.
Yay! Las Vegas,
Big Dick
Nevada.
Dale.
PDD.
Ready?
Oh yeah. Are you ready?
I think so.
Skinny pedal. Or skinny handle.
Skinny handle.
Skinny handle.
Let's do it.
Go for it. See it.
In our porn house.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some films here while you guys are testing.
There you go.
With yourself. Yeah. Post on OnlyFans. Hey, don't touch that right here beer can later.
Oh God.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on
Where are you putting that?
Caboose, dude. Play some Kerbal. Shit,
Go
fuck
on.
out here, dude.
All right, let's go testing. All right, we're out here at Ironborn. We're gonna do a couple things to the car and then go testing. He's pulling it out right now. Huge thank you to Blaine and Robert with Ironborn and Vital Motion Co suspension. We're gonna go test with them right now, set the car up, and then we're gonna go test with somebody else this afternoon. So there she is in Vegas. Throw some stuff on here, set ride height, go play out the dust. Yeah, so checking ride height right now, doing a couple other things here at Ironborn, Vital Motion Co. So huge thank you to Ironborn, off-road shop here in Vegas. They do a ton of UTV stuff. If you're in Vegas and you ever need any UTV stuff, hit up Ironborn Off-Road. These guys are working on my car right now, helping out with some last minute stuff with the window nets. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't do it without people like Blaine with Ironborn and Robert and all these people helping out. Huge thank you. But yeah, right now we're gonna go test, Dale and I, and then hopefully later we can go out this evening to another spot. Right now we're just gonna go to this place called Apex, just off the freeway, and then go south of Vegas for testing this afternoon. So that's the plan, at least. We'll see what's going on with this. We're gonna go test with Sierra Romo right now, who's a factory Polaris driver. All right, made it to test site. Dale, you ready to go get dirty?
Yeah, I'm ready to go
Let's do it. Shock tuning with Robert, Vital Motion Co. And apparently Sierra Romo, factory Polaris driver, is out here. So let's go get dirty, go hit some rough shit, and go have some fun. Sierra Romo's car, factory Polaris.
She really did.
So she's a little soft for sure. There's Sierra's car.
Anything that's about half the car, like the 2/3 of the car length, it's perfect. Anything that's a full car length,
Where it gets into the bottom.
it just, and you can't, and there's a couple spots where like you come up out of the bottom and you can stay on top, but the ass end just wants to stay in the bottom, if that makes sense.
No, it does.
How we doing, Dale?
Great, doing a check to it in. Getting it figured out.
Yeah, getting there.
Are you good with me doing that?
He wanted to make a change.
Or
Okay.
do you want to do rear crossovers?
Are you thinking down?
It's still here.
What are you thinking in the back?
It's still spring kicking a little bit.
Yeah, I think they can go up probably another quarter to half, maybe.
Okay, so what
Or you
we
want to
did
go down?
is when I added the valving, now it's not using the stroke and it's lifting off the springs. So it's the same joke Jordan always makes. Let's run the rear crossovers up like a half inch.
Okay.
Because it's getting into the stroke and instead of using it, it's lifting.
Let's go bebop, do our thing.
Where were you?
All right, so we're gonna head back out, do another lap.
Like he did earlier.
Yeah.
We just
So wherever Casey filmed,
they went down on the crossovers and changed a couple other things. So it's a little soft on the rear, but we're getting there. It's close.
There's another one coming in. Okay, so it's real dark, but we got done testing with Robert and all them. Car was soft at the beginning. They went in and then it was a little pogo-y. So then they made some other adjustments externally and car is dialed now. So super stoked. Now we're out here night testing. Nick's gonna jump in the car because he's gonna be racing at night. Thank you to Trevor Rose. Yeah, super rad dude for meeting us out here in the dark and testing with us and letting Nick jump in the car. And yeah, pretty stoked. Today's been awesome. So I'll try to get some clips here. Unfortunately, I forgot my GoPro when we were testing with Romo and Robert and all them. But yeah, let's go get Nick in the car. Hey Nick,
What?
don't be stupid and break this thing.
We might need to even move the seat forward.
It is forward. All right, we can move it up. No big deal.
Yeah. Tomorrow or.
Yeah, no, I can do that. No biggie. It's right where it was in Montana.
What?
It's right where it was during the Montana race.
There's no way I drove this fucking thing like this. The steering wheel's different.
Yeah, that's a crack. Well, we could drill it out and weld it tomorrow.
Oh, dude. This whole thing's fucked.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. The entire inside split.
No.
Yeah,
No.
look on the other side of the shock.
Oh yeah, it's fucked.
If you want, you ain't running it tonight.
Yeah.
So, if you want to fucking bring it out to the shop tomorrow, you guys can drop it put it up on a jack, pull the trailing arm, and I'll fucking fix it.
Should we do the transmission mount at your house too?
At my shop, I don't care. I have just about every fucking tool you could think you'd ever need.
You can weld that?
I'll just have to plate.
Yeah, we'll just have to play Gusset games.
Masson, what are we doing?
We're gonna go drive some road cars. Fixing the fucking broken.
Why'd you break my trailing arms?
I don't know, I guess I got too heavy and I sat in the car and it snapped.
Yeah, true. Trailing arm, DNF, destination fucked, Masson,
The
sit
fact
rep.
that you have Nick Masson working on your car just shows the kind of situation we're in right now.
That's
Drastic times call for drastic measures.
It's not good. Not good at all. But hey, race cars. Masson, how do we feel about race cars?
I'm fucking over this shit. I want one of those, dude.
That thing is pretty freaking nice.
Look at 10 car with road racing.
Masson, how we doing? Having fun yet?
Yeah.
Do you like Can-Ams yet? All right, sit rep. We are out at Spring Mountain Motorsports. Really high-end road course with like driving school and like all these private places and all that where, well, rich people can come drive their really fast road cars. Really high-end place, really cool. Anyway, Trevor Rose, 44 Motorsports, has a shop here. He does a lot of off-road stuff, and he is welding up the trailing arms right now. Get those patched up, and then try to race back to Vegas. We're out in Pahrump, about an hour outside of Vegas. So, plan is get back to, try to get back before the vehicle parade today, and hopefully we can make it. But if not, we need to get these arms fixed because, they're cracked in a lot of places, and it's not good. So, anyway, get this thing fixed. Huge thank you to Trevor, man. 44 Motorsports. These guys do really cool stuff. Are you comfy?
Very comfy. Once we get this item out,
How about with the door thing? Make sure you latch that, by the way. Push it down.
be easier to close on.
You good? You comfy? Hold on.
Over
Okay.
the inspection.
All right, Masson unit.
I'm ready.
We're in full Nick Masson mode. There we go.
Just a little further.
Are
Okay,
we-
I just scooted a little further back, so
Okay.
that's probably where it's gonna be at.
Are we Gucci?
I think so. It's gonna be comfy, dude.
All right, let's get the seat in. Masson, report. How do we feel about Trevor's work?
It looks a lot better. We're gonna put up for his paces for 300 miles.
God, that looks good. Trailing arms installed. Masson, sit rep, baby. Are we good?
Yeah, getting there.
Are we gonna be good? Transmission's not happy.
Let's see how it looks after a lap.
Yeah, hopefully you can even get in after all this. Hopefully I don't DNF before you.
Fingers crossed. Drive slow.
That's the plan. But look at them things. I don't know, what's better? What do you guys think? What's better, that weld or this one up here?
Top one.
Yeah, the one
Well,
that's...
the 4.4 size 4.4 motorsports world is shit. Just like
Masson, trailing arms are good?
they look good. See how they hold up.
Are they going to be good to Masson standards?
We will find out at the finish line if they're good for Masson standards.
At the finish line?
At the finish line.
They're holding together still?
That's how
What
we know.
are we
those
doing
reps
now? Are we going to go...
What are we doing now?
Are we Fremonting?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna tell you what is gonna go down.
What's going
We are
down?
going to the house. We're gonna
Yeah.
unhook this truck. I'm gonna get in the truck. I'm gonna go to Walmart and then Stizzy, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Then I'm gonna put my massive polo on, and we're gonna go fucking shut down Fremont Street.
Attaboy, I like that
That's what
plan.
I'm thinking. And then Mikey's coming tonight, so
And Dale's going to go find an old lady
Dale's
and...
gonna go shoot a fucking porno and
BDD living up to his nickname.
Jesus
Big tail.
Christ.